What is the meaning of the idiom, work your socks off? Work your socks off means to work extremely hard or put a lot of effort into something. This idiom is used when someone works with great energy and determination, often for a long time, to achieve a goal. It does not literally mean taking off your socks while working. Let's use this idiom in some sentences. She worked her socks off to pass the exam. She worked extremely hard to pass the exam. She works her socks off to achieve her goals. Subscribe to this channel to learn more idiom with meaning and explanation. Thanks for watching this video.